buffalo.
The Bob Fernbach Ramp. Although I suppose more officially known as
the Robert D. Fernbach. We're just gonna call it the Bob Ramp. I like the, oh, there's information about Bob. Yeah, they modded these. Guess we'll go down first.
We got one waiting for us too.
I want to say these were Impulse. These look like a fresh modernization. Let's go down to
the roof. Oh, there's a basement.
Yeah, we'll go up first.
Better view than we had earlier.
Yep.
And now what?
Now we got in the B.
Basement.
Want to go all the way back up again?
Sure.
Or let's try the other one, actually.
Yeah.
Elevator 3, so there's at least one more. Or two more.
Two more.
Because there's one there, so there's at least another one somewhere in this garage. Alright, so there goes that one. Now go ahead.
Fail.
Okay, I don't know if it worked or not, but it's coming.
It's moving.
We might get two calls here because that did not light up. Yeah, it says going up. All right, since we're going up, we'll go all the way to we'll go to R.
Let's go to R. Let's get a view. This one's a little rough.
It's a little rattly. It's an okay view.
It's kind of dead on that side.
Yeah.
It's a meh.
It's a meh view.
It's a meh.
Yeah. Best lock. Yeah, just go down to L. Oh, anything you see in the B, in the basement? And we do have at least one more elevator to ride on the other side.
Some way.
There it goes. That's it. Well, so we're over here on the other side now. We have two more of the same elevators, so we'll just take a ride down. Let's go ahead and call one up.
They're both moving downward. So maybe
We have come to the conclusion that these elevators are junky.
these elevators are horrible. They're both coming up. That one stopped.
And you can tell these used to be Dover. This one's not that hot.
Ugh.
Well, I've had enough of these.